Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the fourth question in exercise 9.2. Find mean mu and variance sigma square for the following distribution. So first let's start with the mean mu. Mu is nothing but sigma of xi pi, that is summation of xi pi. So in this case, first let's multiply this. So this is going to be 0 into 1 by 6, then plus 1 into 1 by 2. So next is going to be 2 into 3 by 10. And finally, it is going to be 3 into 1 by 30. So let's compute this value. So this is going to be 0 plus 1 by 2 plus 6 by 10 plus 3 by 30. So now I'm going to simplify. Sorry, this is 3 by 30 is 1 by 10. So this is going to be 1 by 2 plus 6 by 10 plus 1 by 10. So if you take LCM, the LCM is going to be equal to 10. So you cross multiply. This is going to be 5. This is going to be 6 plus 1. So this is 12 divided by 10, which means it is equal to 1.2. So mu is equal to 1.2. Now let's calculate the variance. Variance sigma squared is equal to summation of pi xi squared minus mu squared. So mu we already calculated. So let's work on calculating of this. So pi is 1 by 6 into 0 squared. Now the next one, it is going to be 1 by 2 into 1 squared. In the next case, it is going to be 3 by 10 into 2 squared. And in the last case, it is 1 by 30 into 3 squared. So let's evaluate. So 0 square, either way this whole thing is 0, plus this will become 1 by 2. 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, so 12 divided by 10, and in the last case it will be 9 divided by 30. I'm simplifying this 3 by 10. So now let's take an LCM for this. So LCM is going to be 10 here, so this is 5 plus 12 plus 3. So this is going to be equal to 20 by 10, which is equal to 2. So this is just the value of this. Then we need the value of mu squared. So it is essentially 2 minus 1.2 the whole squared. So this is 2 minus 1.44, which is equal to 0.56. So variance is 0.56 and the mean is 1.2. In the next video, we will find the solution for the fifth question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.